Hello Pop Shoppers, this is Steve with Pop RVs, and today I'm here to show you a 2012 XL Limited by Peterson Industry. This is a real quality rig. I'm going to show you some of the things as we go around to tell the difference between this and other fifth wheels in regards to the solid cabinetry and whatnot. And as we walk around here on this back side, you'll see we have two slide outs. One's going to be right over the front bedroom is the way that this one is laid out. Here you have the propane and your station to hook up all of your plumbing, your handles for waste. You've got all of your electrical. As you can see, lots of storage here and very clean. Michelin tires all the way around. They look great, in good condition. Lots of tread there. I don't have the DOT code on that, but they from up close they look good. The seals and everything look good on the slide outs. As we walk around, there's a little bit of cracking in some of the decals, but the paint looks fabulous. As you can see, there's a rear access ladder. I'm going to take you around to the side and walk you inside to take a look. Again, lots of storage, nice awning, good size. Steps, and some of the flooring has been redone in here. Really nice choice in color. It's a kind of a rustic pine. That's what you might want to call that. But again, all of this is solid wood cabinetry. I'll have to show you on some of these cabinets here. Very well made. Not what you would typically see in a fifth wheel. As you can see that with the opposing slides, one over here and one on this side, it really opens up to a really large space. This over here is open for a dining room table, another sofa, and it's where your television's going to go. Working fireplace, a new refrigerator, gas stove, 3-burner system, along with a stainless steel sink. Again, lots of photos in the photo section of this ad. You'll take a look there. I'm going to walk you up to the top and show you how this lays out. 2 entrances into the bathroom. And look at that upgrade of a sink. Isn't that nice? Upgraded sinks, countertops, got a full glassed-in shower there with an upgraded toilet and a queen-size bed. Inside here is a really well laid out closet, lots of great storage, and it's also cedar. It is plumbed for a washer and dryer. The sellers never had one in here. They just used it as extra storage. So you've got more room for hanging clothes, and then down below, more storage. Once again, this is Steve with Pop RVs, and this is a 2012 XL Limited Edition with lots of upgrades. This one's not going to last long, so you probably want to call, schedule a showing, or make an offer on this one today. Thanks again for shopping Pop RVs, and have a great day.